Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I'm in my robe again, so that means we're doing a skincare video. Yes, we are. This is a product that I am very excited about and very thankful for. It was actually sent to me from Drunk Elephant. I love Drunk Elephant. This is their Bouncy Bright Facial Mask Illuminator, and it says it's going to correct and clarify your skin. It contains 10% azelaic acid, 1% salicylic acid, and a triple antioxidant brightening complex. When you get it, this little pump is covered up. And I think you're supposed to put on about 2 to 3 pumps on your face morning and night at the end of your kind of moisturizing routine. And this is a leave-in mask, and let me pump it out. And this is the way it looks when it comes out. It's great to boost radiance, helps with dark spots. It also helps with redness, and it's supposed to give you a brighter, bouncier, more even looking complexion when you use it. When I put it on my skin, it is a nice, thick consistency. I love the feeling of this because it feels like a nice moisturizer. You just apply 2 to 3 pumps as the last step in your skincare routine. I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead. As I said, this feels wonderful going on. Very, very moisturizing. I don't have any skin reaction from this. And as you can see, again, it leaves your skin. I love things that leave my skin feeling bouncy and hydrated. I think if you're looking for something as you age to make yourself look younger, really like this. As I said before, this gets about 5-star reviews on the Sephora website. And let me take a quick look here and see if I missed anything. It's supposed to also help with pores. So like I said, good for redness, good for pores, good for a dull, uneven skin tone, dark spots. It's a very, very creamy formula. It feels wonderful going on. And the key ingredients, I'm going to give you some of them. One is the barley-derived azelaic acid 10%. That's going to soothe and visibly brighten your skin. It also contains salicylic acid 1% BHA, which is going to help with exfoliation of dead skin cells on the surface of your skin and also improve the texture of your skin. I am a big believer in exfoliation. I do use retin A or a retinol every night, which leads to flakiness. As I constantly tell everybody, I live in a dry climate, so you don't want dry skin. Dry skin looks older, so you really want hydrated, very plump looking skin. And it also contains, like I said, something called a triple antioxidant brightening complex, which I'm sure is their special complex, which is going to visibly reduce hyperpigmentation on your face and support excess melanin production. This is considered clean beauty at Sephora. Another really wonderful skincare product that I will be using this year. I like to use things sometimes for an entire year to really help maintain the texture of my skin. You can mix this with Drunk Elephant serums or moisturizers, and it is 100% free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrance. Definitely no fragrance to it. This is how it comes in the box. And again, it's called the Drunk Elephant Bouncy Bright Facial Mask Illuminator. Correct and clarify. Love this very much and wanted to show you a little quick demo of it. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.